Securityplus Federal Credit Union is proud to introduce a cutting-edge digital investing experience, Investments, seamlessly integrated into your online banking platform. Now, you have access to digital investing on the platform you already know and trust. With real-time dashboards, you'll always know exactly how your portfolios are performing, whether you're checking in from your laptop or phone. At Securityplus Federal Credit Union, we understand that everyone invests differently. That's why we offer 3 different investment solutions for you to choose from. Choose guided investing and have a pre-built portfolio created and managed for you based on your personalized risk tolerance and investment timeline. Or take control with self-directed investing and trade over 6,000 stocks, bonds, and ETFs commission-free. Can't make up your mind? Give our hybrid portfolio a try for the perfect mix of guided and self-directed investing. At Securityplus Federal Credit Union, we know navigating the world of investing can feel overwhelming. That's why, with as little as $10, we've made it easier than ever to start your investment journey and achieve your financial goals. Funding your investment account is only a few clicks away, making it the most straightforward investment experience. Start your journey towards financial wellness today by logging into your account and going to Investments. See you there.